Did you accidentally get your Sonata garment dirty? Don't worry. First, spot cleaning. All you need is a mild cleaning solution. Lay the garment flat and locate the stain. Apply a small amount of cleaning agent directly onto the stain. Gently scrub with a small brush, and then wipe away the foam with a damp cloth. Look, the stain has vanished, and the garment is as clean as new, and it still shines. It remains just as brilliant. Second, wash the entire item. Begin by filling a basin with water, then add a small amount of laundry detergent. You must first remove the controller. Make sure the USB protective cap is sealed tight to prevent water damage, preventing water ingress and eliminating the risk of short circuits. Gently press to saturate, then lightly scrub with a small brush, and the clothes will be sparkling clean. Simply connect the USB port to the controller, holding the controller in your hand, and you will see that the lights remain illuminated. Unzip the garment, and you will see the embedded LED beads inside. The Sonata team has engineered every single LED bead to be waterproof. After rinsing thoroughly with clean water, gently squeeze out the excess moisture. Do not wring or twist. Allow the garment to air dry naturally.